What's you guys, and welcome back to another video. I've been really consistent. I think I've put out a lot of videos in this week alone. So here we're gonna create how to make animations in Gdevelop here. So as you can see, I was adding the animations into it. Now he's gonna call it like it's a calling part for sure. So here you can use this to fix the speed and something and something. So basically what we're doing here is just fixing up time and stuff like speed and find us the perfect walking and the perfect frames per second, I would say, for this animation here. Alright. So let's just officially start this video now. So now you see this guy there, he's just not moving, and here is where we got all the animation listed out. It's pretty simple to add. If you want you guys to make a tutorial, it can be. So now I named that first animation idle, which is gonna be the stand animation. So what we need to make sure you do now is make sure you name all your animation. So I'm gonna name that one idle. I'm gonna name this one walk. So guys, that's gonna be over walking animation. You need to name it. Okay. So you're gonna make sure every animation, everything that you change, share with one animation, as you can see here. As we play this, you're gonna see the character just stand, and when I press the arrow key, the left key, the right key, nothing important happens. He doesn't seem like he's walking. He doesn't seem like he's even trying to walk, because he doesn't have the brains to walk. He doesn't have a sense to walk. So now we're just gonna simply show you how to do that very easily. And this is how, if you want to edit the image, you can click that, and as you can see, make sure you share all the image with, when it comes to the collision box make it make something happen, so we need to make sure it shares with all of the animations. So now if we put walk in top, I'm going to show you how the walking animation looks. No ground, you can see like I'm going to the ground there. But I guess it's alright, that's just to show you how the walking animation look and the idle animation look. So okay, so what we need to do now is to get to the coding part particularly to get that fixed as well, and get every other thing fixed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So here we're gonna get our coding part, and gonna name this animations. Okay, so let's add an event, which is, hope you guys understand what an event is. So I'm gonna say, okay, when the player is moving, or when hit back. So we're gonna use hit back instead of player, because remember, if you watch our previous video, hit back is not the player, the golem is just an image representing the player. Just watch the video if you guys don't understand. But if you don't use a hitbox, you can make the image the golem the player. Remember that. So okay, there we go. I just show you how the hitbox is moving and how the animation is moving. That's why I take off that. I think let me just fix this one quick back, guys. Let's hide this back. So that was just to show you how the hitbox looked and when the player looked and some shit like that. So Now we're gonna say when the player is moving, change the animation, change my name to walk. Press play. Now we're gonna see when the player oh my god, you can see the player is walking, but he don't have any stop animation, so you're just gonna keep on walk. So we're just gonna copy and paste our walk animation and just invert it. So when invert is saying when invert is saying when player isn't moving. That's what he said when he inverted. And I just copy and paste the walk and just put idle, which is our standing animation. So when you play that now you can see standing. Now when you're supposed to press the arrow key, you can see him walking. But you just realize something is happening to the character, which is not making him look in the direction or what we want him to look when we press the arrow key. So that's what's gonna be finishing up in another video, guys. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I'm really serious about this. So yeah, keep on posting video. I'll keep on posting videos, guys. Keep on liking, sharing, commenting, and tell me what you think of my videos or what I need to do better to get you guys to subscribe. So yeah.